Hello everyone and welcome to my use case 5 presentation. In this presentation we will be talking about organizing the sustainable big data strategy document by related SDGs. I am on team 3 and my name is Nathan Kotis, and on my team is Freddie, Mark, Savannah, and Sophie. And so for exercise 1, it was to research 17 sustainable development goals at SAS and gather IQ and understand the relationships between SDGs, excuse me. And so I won't read all of these off, but some of the ones that are include no poverty, zero hunger, gender equality, affordable and clean energy, reduced inequalities, climate action, and life below water. And for exercise 2, we needed to identify the SDGs associated with each analytic storyline. And so with the predictive storyline, we decided that collection rate and manufacturing energy usage in the next 9 to 12 months was our variables, and in the collection rate, we thought that industry, innovation, and infrastructure was important, and then also responsible consumption and production. And then moving to number 2 with manufacturing, we thought that sustainable cities and communities, climate action, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy were all important. And then moving to our prescriptive storyline, we focused on increasing the education and infrastructure for collection, and then also partnering with suppliers that have the same sustainability goals as Coca-Cola. And so under increasing education, we thought that quality education, no poverty, zero hunger, good health, and responsible consumption and production would be important for this goal. And then for partnering with suppliers, we thought that decent work and economic growth, peace, justice, and strong institutions, industry innovation and infrastructure, and reduced inequalities were all important for getting that particular goal done. So for exercise 3, it wanted us to explain our rationale and support your rationale with similar examples in a business setting. So for collection rate, our example was our explanation was responsible consumption and production. This could be switching to a renewable source for collection, and this would aid completing Coca-Cola's goal to reduce GHG emissions. And then for manufacturing, we thought the sustainable cities and communities. In order to maintain progress in our sustainability goals, we must improve practices in how we manufacture products. For number 3, increasing education for responsible consumption and production, we thought increasing options to recycle products will increase the consumer awareness to properly dispose of our products. And then for number 4, partnering with suppliers for industry innovation and infrastructure, we thought building a task force to improve greenhouse gases emissions throughout the food and beverage industry would be helpful. And for exercise 4, it wanted us to highlight the SDGs in each analytic storyline. And so just going through a couple of these, we want to reduce our GHG emissions by 25% by 2030. And so our 3 initiatives are at the top: innovation in packaging design and increasing collection rate, investments in renewable energy and manufacturing, and more hydrofluorocarbon-free and intelligent connected coolers. And these are all connected to the images to the right. And so for initiative 1, that would go with industry, innovation, and infrastructure. For initiative 2, this would go with sustainable cities and communities. And then also initiative 3 would go with sustainable cities and communities. Alrighty, well, with that, that completes my use case presentation, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.